Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, right? And hey, thank God it is Friday, it is weekend. So a lot of you will have time to do one or two things, take care of your family, take care of your house chores, and so many other things. And I wish you a great weekend as well. So, guys, today I have come to share with you another great wonderful opportunity. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you the prayer that people who their element is earth should do. If you have find out your element and you don't know the prayer you're supposed to do based on your element, I'll be making video starting from a care up to today concerning element people, how they should behave and what they should do, what they needed to do, type of prayer that they need to pray to attract blessing, to attract blessing and favor. So today is eight element people. You are making noise. Today is eighth element people, which is R4. Yeah? Today is R4. Yesterday was Orie. So today is eighth element, popularly known as R4 in Igbo land. So if you are eighth element here and you haven't said your prayer now, say it before we entered Nkwo, because tomorrow is going to be Nkwo, which is air element. Yeah, ndị ikuku ama n'ọnya. Tomorrow is on a day, okay? So if you want me to tell you the type of prayer that you needed to pray today being a four, please let me know at the comment section. All right. So, but before I go into that teaching, I want to use this privilege to thank all my fellow subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for choosing to watch this channel. May God Almighty bless you. And to my newest subscribers in the building, you guys are highly welcome. In this channel, we teach you how you can use little things around you to solve some of these problems by the special grace of God. So if that is what you want to hear, now keep on watching. So if you are X element and in all this while you are aware that you are X element, but you don't know how to pray, you don't know what to use to pray, this ingredient, this material that I'm going to list it today is what you needed. Number first, you need forehead cooler. Forehead cooler. Okay? When you wake up from the sleep early in the morning, before you greet somebody, now say this prayer. Even if today you are not opportune to say the prayer, by next week you are still going to have your day coming up by next week. So if you want to be attracting blessings, day-to-day blessings, in fact, week to week blessings, month to month blessing, is it the day that you are being brought in this earth? You don't have to neglect it. You don't have to skip it when it comes to prayer and making your requests known to that day. I don't know if you're getting me, because your star, your destiny is attached to that day, whether you like it or you don't like it. But I'm here to tell you the gospel truth. I am here to tell you, yes, this is how it is. Okay, so your destiny attached to that. All right, so and it is highly spiritually advisable that you pray according to your element and you ask, you make your request known, you ask, and it shall be given to you. So if you are F element, now the material that you needed is forehead collar. I've said it before. You also need sound. Either the sound from your front of door, or at your backyard, anywhere you can pick sand. Just pick sand. Before you wake up in the morning, before you greet anybody, all you have to do is to use that collar, pray, call upon God Almighty, the creator of the whole universe, the God who created heaven and earth, the God who even created that collar, to come down that today is your day. That when you are coming, there is so many blessings that God has given to you that you now want them to start manifesting in your life. If there is any of the destiny that the enemies has been keeping in bondage, that today you want them to release it, that you are calling upon your star, your dead star, your dead destiny, let them arise and come into your life and then start manifesting the good destiny that you came into this world with. Let it start manifesting in your life. That the bad ones will never come across you until when you are done living your life on this earth. I don't know if you are hearing me. So you pray that prayer using that color and you throw that color away. Now that's when you have to take your main prayer with your hand, packing your sand. Okay, so when you pack your sand like this, you are going to be commanding that sand that that day is your day, which is Afo. Okay, is earth, and therefore anywhere you step your feet, that you will prosper. Any land, any country that you step your feet in, that you will prosper, and this land will not do what swallow you. And for people, they are very talented. Let me tell you, and for people, they don't talk much, but what they do, they have it in their mind, and they are very compassionate. They are very, very cool to be with. You understand? They're very, very cool to be with. Let me tell you one thing about earth people. You see, earth people, they don't die untimely. You see, earth, they don't die untimely. So you command that sand, and so you are not going to be buried untimely in this under this sand, and you will live and become what God wants you to be, that you shall prosper. As this sand is uncountable, see, as this sand is uncountable, that's how your wealth, that is how your children will be uncountable on this earth, and none shall be missing. You understand? So if you speak to the sand, after speaking to the sand, then you go out and then drop it. All right, do this. You see, that day, if thing has not been working, you are earth element, and thing has not been working in your life, guys. The moment you start praying, following your ex every week and pray, eh? You're gonna see, in fact, you will start seeing massive blessings, massive open doors. Forget about all those things. Eh? It's just natural, it's just gift. Just make use of your gift. You see, the day you were born has a lot of positive powers that you are supposed to be using by now, but that you are not using. A lot of people are aware of them, but they are not using it the way they're supposed to use it. And they are suffering in poverty. They are suffering. In fact, some of them is not even poverty. Some of them is rejection. You have money, but you don't have good health. Eh? You have money, but no one is liking you. You're always facing hatred. If you do good to people, they will always pay you bad with evil. Go and look for your element. Find your element and start making use of your element. Start commanding your element to work in your favor. It is very, very important. Start commanding your element to work in your favor, guys. If you don't know your element, come to me. I will tell you what I need. Just your name, date of, even if you don't know the date of your birth, I will trace it. I will tell you that you'll be flowing it, and you will see things begin to change your life. Somebody say, "I know, tell us how to overcome disappointment and failure." Now, the question I have for you is: have you traced the day you were born? Have you traced your elements? If yes, what is your element? Have you been praying since you discover who you are? Have you been praying according to your elements? That is just the question I have for you. So, guys, that's it. Just the end of this video. Now, for some of you don't know that I sell products. I sell a lot of spiritual products, both charm destruction, both herbal medicine, any type, spiritual medicine, any one you want. Far I sell all those things. Consultation, yes. Okay, spiritual prayer, yes. So, any of this service are you interested in? All you have to do is to just chat me on this number 090 59825779. I'm still going to drop my WhatsApp number on this video. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please, after watching this video, like this video for me, share this video, and also leave your comment under the comment section. I love you all. See you on my next video, and have a fruitful weekend. Bye.